To send money from India to South Africa, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you must choose a suitable money transfer method, such as a bank transfer, online money transfer service, or currency exchange office. Each method has its own set of fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so it is essential to compare and select the most convenient option for your needs. Once you have selected a method, gather the necessary documents, including your identification proof, the recipient's identification proof, and their bank account details. For a bank transfer, you will need the recipient's name, bank account number, and branch code, as well as the SWIFT code of the recipient's bank. Next, visit the website or branch of your chosen money transfer service and create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the transfer details, including the amount you want to send, the recipient's details, and the transfer method. Review the fees, exchange rates, and transfer time to ensure you understand the total cost and when the recipient can expect to receive the funds. After submitting the transfer, you will receive a reference number to track the status of your transfer. You can use this number to check the progress of your transfer online or through the mobile app of your money transfer service. The recipient can expect to receive the funds in their bank account within a few working days. Depending on the transfer method and the speed of the transfer, it is crucial to be aware of the regulations and restrictions on sending money from India to South Africa. The Reserve Bank of India has set limits on the amount of money that can be sent abroad, and you must comply with these regulations to avoid any issues with your transfer. Additionally, be cautious of fraud and scams when sending money internationally, and only use reputable and licensed money transfer services to ensure the security of your transaction. In conclusion, sending money from India to South Africa requires careful planning, research, and attention to detail. By following these steps and choosing a reliable money transfer service, you can ensure a smooth and secure transaction. Always compare fees, exchange rates, and transfer times before making a transfer, and be aware of the regulations and restrictions that apply to your transaction.